Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you. Candidates are regularly asking about the TCS NQT result. We have a mail of Ninja Digital and Prime. What about the remaining result? Still you not receive any kind of result. What is hall ticket and best option is showing? All the videos for all of you, and I already created video that is related to result declared and finally officially mail. No need to worry about that. For the 2024 batch, 11 months ago, I created the free preparation series for all of you, in which total 14 videos are there with the selected candidate interview experience, how to explain project in interview, most important topic, and the latest experience. What about the first day at TCS? So I will come up with the free preparation video as soon as possible by tomorrow. So you can mention if you want the TCS interview one shot. I will definitely come up with that video that is helpful for the Ninja opportunity, digital opportunity, and the Prime opportunity. I will come up with the free preparation. Okay, so let's wait till tomorrow. First of all, we received this type of update, like you have to complete the survey form and you are shortlisted for TCS Ninja interview, you are shortlisted for digital interview, and you are shortlisted for the Prime interview, TCS Prime interview. So I asked to candidate, what about your examination? I have attended both coding question. First, all test cases pass, and second, 3 test cases pass. So 1 to 1.5 coding question consists of digital opportunity. 1.5 to 2 complete question calls the Prime opportunity. Aptitude according me 6 to 8 was correct from numerical ability, and 10 to 12 from advance. Okay, according to your performance in the aptitude examination, okay, like we can say that according to your performance in foundation section and advanced section, they will offer you one of the opportunity: Ninja opportunity, digital opportunity, and Prime opportunity. And this is the Prime cutoff. Medium one solved 5 to 7 test case pass. Easy one was able to solve but editor issues, so 0 to 7 out of test case pass. Aptitude numerical one just 6 to 7 right. Rest I just put random. Rest section I was able to solve all living 2 to 3. So according to your performance, they will share you the opportunity of Prime, Ninja, and digital. Okay, this type of mail is received. The first query from many of the candidate, like what about the TCS remaining result? Okay, best option is showing on the TCS next step portal. Hall ticket is also generated by today. Okay, so is still there is no kind of mail. So one most important point, that result always come in the form of phases. Okay, what do you mean by phases? Phases means the different dates. This is not a single date. 14th May is not a single result date for TCS NQT examination. There are multiple. We know that there are multiple examination date. So from this we can assume that like there are multiple examination dates. So from we can assume that there are multiple result date. Okay, by today, by tomorrow, after tomorrow, you will receive the result by 15, 16, 17th May, and continuously they are sending result till last phase. Okay, last phase तक वो आपको result भेजेंगे. So no need to worry about that. According to your performance in the examination, they will shortlist you either for Ninja opportunity, digital opportunity, and Prime opportunity. And result, okay, what about the result? Basically the result, okay, so basically the result will be released in the form of phases, as I already said, but the result will release in the form of region wise as well and in the form of batches as well. Okay, many of the candidates are saying that my examination on 15th March, but the 5th March candidate received the interview update from the like TCS team, but still I not receive any kind of update. So one most important point, this is candidate number 1, this is candidate number 2. Candidate number 1 is from Mumbai region and candidate number 2 is from Ahmedabad, Gujarat region. Okay, candidate 1 examination on 15th, 15th March, and candidate 2 examination on 25th March. So your candidature is different. Okay, your candidate ID in TCS is very different. Mumbai region is very different, Ahmedabad location is very different. So region wise and in the form of batches, they are releasing the result. Suppose they today, for example, today they send result to 1000 plus candidate today. okay, or we can say that 500 plus candidate. So tomorrow they will again send result to 500 plus candidate. So this series will be continue till the last phase, okay, जब तक कि वो लास्ट फेज की रिजल्ट नहीं भेज देते. दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिसीविंग द रिजल्ट. सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, TCS result always come in the form of phases. I already said phases means different dates, so do not confuse with this. What is hall ticket? Okay, so I already like mentioned about hall ticket in the previous video. That again I am mentioning. Many candidates are confusing with this. Like it is showing that 14th May and it is showing venue and it is showing time. Okay, first of all, this is not related to exam. Okay, this is not related to interview, that your interview is scheduled today and you missed your interview. Okay, it is only just for TCS team system purpose. Okay, it is just for system purpose. We can say that like when the badged option is enabled on your next step portal, okay, so then the hall ticket will be generated from the TCS team. Okay, you can confirm availability of hall ticket or you can't confirm availability of hall ticket. No need to worry about that. कोई problem नहीं होने वाली है. It is only for the system purpose. It is related to system related. It is related to TCS team system purpose. So no need to worry about that. Okay, hall ticket generate होता है. What about the badged option showing? So basically if the badged option is showing, I suggest everyone to please wait. Okay, एंड ये भी अपडेट होगा. अभी TCS नेक्स्ट स्टेप पोर्टल पे ये भी अपडेट होगा. जैसे अभी किन्हीं कैंडिडेट्स का बिल्कुल रिजल्ट नहीं आया है, ना बैच्ड ऑप्शन शो हो रहा है, ना TCS का कोई मेल आया है. सो आई एम सेइंग दैट प्लीज़ वेट बिकॉज द रिजल्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेट्स. So no need to worry about that. This is all about the today's video. Okay, in the which we discussed the TCS Ninja digital and prime opportunity. I am coming with free interview preparation as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.